Hey guys, yeah, can you guys see my lip? It looks so stupid. Oh my god, I just left the dentist. I'm screwed. I need to have 3 root canals. Yo, it's gonna piss me off right now. Like, I feel like an idiot. I gotta have 3 root canals. And yeah, like my teeth are horrible. I need to go to the dentist more. I don't know what the hell my problem is. But yeah. So as of right now, I have I just fixed one. Not fixed, I just partially fixed it because it was closer to the front of my mouth, and I need that in order to talk and to smile and to laugh, because I love to do all 3. So they had to fix that. And yeah, like when the numbing wears off, I'm gonna die. You understand? I can feel where she put some plastic something in my mouth to stop make the germs and sitting them go down my throat. But boy, see the way this pain is set up? Oh my god. So yeah, now I'm going home. I gotta go take some Advil like she had suggested. She's so sweet. I wish she told me to take a selfie. I wish I recorded and followed her instructions. But yeah, she's a really nice lady. I never had a female dentist before. I'm gonna stick with her. And yeah, right now I'm going to Orpheus Road, not to shop. I gotta go to Party City and get some balloons for tomorrow because it's Canada Day. And I gotta decorate my mom's restaurant for her annual Canada Day barbecue. You guys should come. Too bad you guys are gonna get this vlog late. But yeah. So I guess when I get there, I will holler back at you guys, because I don't think you guys need to see me walking to the freaking mall. And guess what? All these cars are beside me, and all these people are beside me. And today, I just don't care about who's watching me. So I'm getting better with this whole vlogging thing. You guys should be so proud of me. Look at my ugly smile, because my teeth are numb, and I mean, my mouth is numb, and I can't realize anything. But it's starting to wear off now, because my gums are killing me a little bit. So I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to eat chicken tomorrow, and my gums are like this, but whatever.
If you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother.
Unfortunately. So we're here, you know, everything's just getting started, and yeah, wait, yes, there it is. So yeah, this is water right now. It's just the early part of it, so everybody's like, you know, just coming in and whatever the case may be. But unfortunately, it's not. Let me show you guys my balloon column. Hey mom, say hi. Say hi. Introduce yourself. Say, you know, like, hey, I'm Zoe's mom. Say, I'm Zoe's mom. Today's Canada Day and it's my barbecue.
It's Canada Day and it's
We're having a great time. Yes, okay. That's great. Yeah, these are the balloon columns that I made today for Canada Day. Yeah, I did that. This one is not that great, you know, because the balloons are popping and the wind and everything, but yeah. All right, so the team sets, you understand, but they are. Hey William, come with my family. Hey guys, stay tuned for the vlog. Chum, stay tuned for the vlog. Yeah, stay tuned for the vlog. Yeah, well, obviously you can see she can't speak yet, but yeah, you know, yeah, barbecue, happy birthday Canada again, you don't know, yeah. There's the gems, that's the realest hustler I know, you know what I mean? He wants to be a radio person, he wants to plan parties, he wants to flip houses, he wants to do everything. Follow him, alright? Yeah, so unfortunately they put me at the grill today again, and so yeah, that's currently what I'm doing right now. What's on my show? You understand? You see, I don't know who they can see because we are smooth, they were all us. You understand? But you see what me I do a journey chicken again. You understand? But I can't understand. Here?
Hold tight and never let go.
Huh?
Cause my love will always go. Day by day, time after time.
You see the chicken we got jerky, yes. Medium chef.
I wanna put the
Chef
S in
boy.
your sense, the S in your stride, and baby, I wanna put
Alright, look
the
up
S
what
in
can
your
that one time.
sense.
You understand now?
S in your stride.
I entertain and I cook and all of these things. You understand? So look up more when yeah, look up more. Oh well, that's a feeding problem. One time.
No, I just want to talk.
Shamica, I'm gonna put it on you. Is that okay? No? Okay. Whoa, bongo what?
Tell me now.
Where you depend?
They're from 2 foot.
You depend your 2 feet? How is everything? Everything is alright?
Your life is there.
Life is there. How is Millie, my friend? Millie, how is Millie? Me know so she dressed it this morning, you know. Me know so she put on your clothes this morning. Cause you not dress yourself, cause you match. You wear green with green. You never do that before.
My clothes.
Yeah, you never wear that before.
Listen to it. What do you say about it?
Me know say Millie have to dress you, cause you never put yourself in a color before.
Really, no.
Me no know a problem for yard.
That's J, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, come back alright.
Cause every day we pay the price for the level sacrifice.
Huh?
Time until the
Okay. Wait, you guys are leaving? I was about to say we're doing fireworks.
Right now?
In a bit.
I just want to give her.
What?
Could you see it? I mean, could you see it right now?
I mean, that's why I said in a bit.
We're saying goodbye.
Okay, well, bye, Cuzzle.
That is
Bye. Thank you for coming.
What is that for?
Hey, Darren. This is my cousin Darren, you guys. This is my cousin Darren, you guys. Yes. I don't know if he gets in London yet, but him immigrate from Jamaica, come to Canada. You understand? So I'm not really celebrate Canada Day. You understand all these things? I'm not really celebrate this holiday. I'm not really know the meaning of the independence of Canada. You understand what me I try to say to your people? You understand? Hi, Chance! You understand what me I try to say to you, the people? Yeah. Him not really understand. All him have to do is go up in a immigration face and say, oh Canada, my native land, true patriot love, and all thy sons come and you understand? Him not really know the words and all these things. Him just study them. Him don't know what it is to be a Canadian. Him don't know about the Maple Leafs. Him don't know about the Blue Jays. Him don't know about the Raptors when Vince Carter used to, you know when Vince Carter used to rap for the Raptors? You understand what I'm trying to say to you people?
Just come off for a banana boat.
It was a banana boat. Yo, I joke me at next day. This is my cousin still for real though. Yeah, this is my cousin Darren. He's single. Are you single? Yeah, I'm single. So if any of my subscribers or any of my followers or anybody like that wants a man, he's available. He's up for price. You understand? We can negotiate something. We can work something out. And him work. Him work. You understand? Him drive him on a car. Me live here for all my life. And me not even a drive car. You understand? And him come here with here. And him a drive car. You understand? Him have money. Him money turn up. Him think tall. It's all. So till it's all. You understand what I'm trying to tell the people? Alright. So, if you want to... Darren. Maga for them. Show them what. What the shirt say? Follow the leader. Him say, you say, I'm them big and strong and thing, them can wall on up and do all of these things and all these things. You understand? You can do all of these things. So just, I'll leave my information, how you can contact me in the description box below. Holla at your girl. I'll set a thing up for you guys and, you can take it from the hour. I don't like when people interrupt me, I don't like it at all. Kiana, Boogie, say hi. Oh, you got a boo-boo today?
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened?
I fell down.
How? How did you fall down?
I down.
How come?
I fell on the rock.
You fall down on the rock?
Yeah.
Okay, is it feeling better now? It still hurts?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay? Are you still my friend? Yeah? Okay, high five. Yeah, girl. Hi, Trevi. Hi. What's your name? Tell everybody what's your name. Trevor. How old are you, Trevor?
Big.
You're big? I didn't ask how big you are. I said, how old are you? Are you 1? Are you 2?
Yeah.
Yeah! High five! Good job. And what's your name?
Sarah.
Tara. And how old are you, Tara?
6.
6. What happened, Kiana?
6.
What? You're not 6. You're 2. Yeah, you're 2 years old. I love your hair. Who did it? Who did your hair? Where? Auntie Barry, I want a burger. I want a burger. Yeah, so this is the barbecue currently. Mom, how much does my friend owe you?
Which one?
The one that ordered the wine.
Oh, $5.
You have change?
Yeah.
Okay, give me $15. Please.
Stand up for your rights. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Don't give up the fight.
Here, she has change if you want to give it now.
That is sweet. That is sweet.
Daddy sweet son! That's hilarious! Oh my god, I'm gonna call you that from now on. That's terrible. Daddy sweet son! I can't believe they call your dad sweet son. That is so gross. Party done. Coming in from the cold! Yo! Coming in from the cold. Yo, anybody who loves Shatas must love that song, yeah. We're coming in. We're coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in from the cold. Hey, okay, I'm coming. It's you. It's you. It's you I'm talking to. It's you I'm talking to now. Here, Mom. Hello. Tonks. Come on, bring them out. Oh. What happened? Me? What happened? What'd I do?
Fireworks.
Oh, okay. Don't stare at me like that. Oh, she's gonna go buy ice cream now. She's gonna go buy ice cream now, so we gotta wait till she comes back. Huh? Oh, yeah? Oh, man. We'll look at it and see if it died down.
Oh man.
I don't know, but she needs to hurry up. Yeah, where's Shamica?
I'll tell you. Grape nut?
Yeah, that's all you got?
I am amazing, yeah. Grape nut.
Oh, God.
That's grape nut I've ever had.
Oh, God.
Am I lying?
It's not that great. I don't even like grape nut.
Why not?
Ugh.
I love it. It's so good.
No, thank
would
you.
you like?
No, thank you. I like sherbet
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, well, it's not even ice cream. That's like frozen whatever.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not an ice cream fan. But if I had to, probably like cookies and cream or something.
Okay.
Like,
Well,
I'm not
you're
really
stupid.
playing. That's what I'm saying. I don't like ice cream. Oh, it's so gross.
Guess who's gonna like
Okay, wait.
grape nuts?
Yeah, no. I ate it today and I was just like, I only ate it because my mouth was hurting me. You gonna try grape nut?
Yeah.
You're gonna waste all that money on a grape nut?
Well, how much is it? How much is it? $6.86 for small.
It's
what I said.
there, girl.
I know. I'm like, it's there.
There's another ice cream place down the road. It's cheaper. Way cheaper.
Yeah, but do they taste sensitive though?
It tastes fine.
Fine. That's not my want. Yeah.
But over there to me tastes fine too. Like I don't think it's anything like
maybe
special.
you haven't tried.
I'm trying to find Shamica and I can't find her, honey. Like I don't know where she is. You understand what I'm trying to say to you, girl? Like I don't know. Where the hell is she? Okay. So she's not there. So gotta go find her somewhere else. Oh my god, I need to get a burger. Oh my god, are they done? Until I already know I see one there. I was just calling you. Coming in from the Yo, these fish are so big. Yeah, I know.
I love
Coming in from the cold. We're coming in. We're coming in. Coming in. Coming in from the cold. It's you. You I'm talking to now. Oh God. Alright, so we're gonna do fireworks now. It's not as dark as we would like it to be, but the kids are here and it's getting late and everybody's tired and needs to go home, so yeah, so we're gonna do it now. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. I'm cold as hell, like it's cold out here. And I'm the only one that's not in like with something with
No,
sneeze.
it's about the cold. What's wrong with that one? Aren't you Canadian? Aren't you supposed to use to the cold?
Not when it's not winter.
Well, you're supposed to like that.
No, definitely. There's a car coming. Oh my god. You see what I mean? Can you imagine that, yo?
Do it right here in that driveway. Right there. Right there, it's perfect. No, right here.
Trevor?
Don't go follow daddy.
Oh my god! Oh, boo! Trevor, you like that?
Trevor, come here.
Yo, what's wrong with Diwali?
No, it's perfect. It's perfect.
What is wrong with
Enjoy
the
it from over here, right? Look.
Oh my god! Bomba Creed! Bomba Creed! Bomba! Look at Shay! Yo, Shay's running! Yo, Shay! Shay ran away! Shay ran away!
Jay's a dog.
Oh shit, sorry, Trevor. Yo, Shay ran away now.
Hold on. Stay right.
Woo!
That's the best one so far. Beautiful. See, look.
Happy Canada Day! Happy birthday, Canada Day! Oh my god, that's beautiful! Yeah, I know. Oh my god.
Beautiful. Wow.
That's pretty.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god.
Those are very cool.
Yeah, I don't like the fact.
They're
Cool.
wild.
So where's Ellie? Look, Ellie, look.
Oh my gosh.
Stand back, Maru.
Wow. Wow.
That is not fireworks.
Oh my god.
Oh, do you see that green one?
Yo, how is those balls getting let go, yo? That's sick,
That
bro.
was boring.
You want the one to go up in the air, right?
Well, you have a very, like, high expectation for five. Oh my god. You're never too old.
No, to go to the store and buy them, it's just like, I just don't do it anymore. The problem is you can't get the good
Actually, earlier, your wife was there.
That's
And I was
why
like
she-
so close to him, and it started spinning, and I was screaming.
Yeah,
I was like,
that's why we were freaked out because of that time it happened where it fell and aimed right at us.
why
Well, that's a nice one.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Shaylin, stop. What? Why would you do that? Don't do that. Why are you throwing stuff at it? What? Oh, never mind. Yeah, like why?
yeah, but he's throwing them at one like
You were right, honey. Whip around a little. It's long.
Bye.
Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day. Happy birthday, Canada. How the rest of the song go? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Wow, that's fun.
Wow. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north, strong and free. Oh, from far and wide, oh Canada, we stand guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Canada. Oh, that was the best. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go shower and go to bed. My mouth is hurting me. My gums are hurting me so much. It's paining me like hell right now, and I can't take a Tylenol due to reasons. I don't know what have affected me, but yo, that's it. I got work in the AM, so I'm gonna sign this off. I just wanted to say goodnight. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed your Canada Day as much as I did. I am Canadian. I'm proud to be Canadian. Actually, no, I'm really not. I'm Jamaican. It's in my blood. I was just born here, and I use the free healthcare. Other than that, you know. So anyways, you guys have yourselves a great night, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye guys.
What you say